Hey everybody, welcome back. It's Crown Vick, aka Victoria, or Victoria aka Crown Vick, back with another video. Today I decided to do another hair wrap tutorial, so I have 3 different looks for you guys that you should check out definitely. They're full-length head wraps versus my smaller head wrap tutorial that I did before this video. If you'd like to check it out, it'll be in the cards right here if you guys want to click it after the video, and it'll be linked in my little outro as well. I want to say, if you're subscribed, thank you Royal Court for coming back. My friend Erica was like, oh, when I heard Royal Court the other video, it sounded like we were peasants or something. That was my first thought. I'm like, girl, are you for real? Like, that's not my intention. What that means, it's like socialism with democracy, with all kind of stuff. Like, we're all the same. I'm not better than you guys are or nothing like that. What I mean by Royal Court is, you know, if you guys want me to do a video or need advice or whatever the case may be, if you need some help with your hair or you want me to do a video on something, I'll do it. You know, I'll put it on my video list. So I just want to make everyone feel like they have a say in different videos that I'm putting out, and we're all collaborating together and, you know, learning from each other. I'm learning from you guys and you guys can learn from me as well. So Royal Court, thank you for coming back and watching this video. Thank you so much for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button down below. Down below, please let me know which look you like best. So 1, 2, or 3. I'm not going to tell you what this look is. You're going to have to watch the video to see which look it is. So anyways, let's get straight to the video before I start rambling and talking and getting off topic, and then you guys are gonna click out of it because I talk too much. And that's my brother said. He's like, you talk too much, you need to cut it down, because I don't like videos that are long. Like, people that be sending 30-minute videos, I'll be clicking that mess out. I don't be watching that shit. So hey, I'm gonna shorten it up, okay? Because, you know, I like to talk, and not, you know, I just like to talk too much, so I'm gonna cut it short right now. I'm gonna stop talking right now. I'm gonna go straight to the video.
Hello, Aunt Kizzy.
Edges are laid. Let's reveal. Ooh. Okay, boom. Ooh, let's slide that back into place. Okay.
I'm gonna put these plaits up in a ponytail to hide them with my hair wrap. Hashtag lazy girl hacks.
So good.
And I, oh. So good.
So.
Hairstyle number 1. So first I'm gonna get a scarf. It could be any scarf that you guys have, like for winter time, like a lightweight one. And I'm going to roll it in like a little donut and place my little plait ponytail inside of the roll, and then secure it with another hair tie. Then I'm going to get an African fabric hair wrap. You can get these from multiple different sites. Yeah, they're pretty easy to find. I got this from an African hair store in Atlanta. And they sell different fabrics, and I just cut a yard out of it. So just wrap it in the back, and then single knot it in the front. Make sure to cover your ears. Then I'm going to roll it like a, I don't know, cinnamon roll maybe. And then wrap it around once and tuck it in the back. Then I'm going to do the same thing for the other end, wrapping it the opposite way and then going on top of there. Just depending how you want your the front to look, how you want the little rolls to look. And that's simple as that. Look number 1. Hairstyle number 2. Next, I'm going to get another African fabric that I have. I love it so much. It's so pretty. I got it from the same African store in Atlanta. Do the same thing I did the other side. Cover my ears and wrap it from the back in the front and single knot it. Get it as close to your edges as possible, because when you're tying it and tucking it, it's going to slide back just a little bit. So I try to gather it in the front as without touching my edges. Then I tuck in the ends of the fabric, the edges of the fabric, and then I'm going to tie it in a bow like you're tying a shoe. Then I'm going to tuck the short pieces on the tails of the fabric and lay it as flat as possible so there's no bulge in the back. I'm going to do the same for the other side. So I'm laying it flat. Notice I'm not rolling it like I did in the first hair wrap. I'm going to lay it as flat as possible and tuck in those ends, because you can see the white. That's if you buy a fabric in a yard or from, like, you know, a fabric store, it may have the maker of that fabric. But I haven't cut that off, so make sure to just tuck it in so you can keep your style and the pattern nice and crispy. And then fluff out the bow, and boom, bada bing. Super easy, super cute, and nobody's gonna know that you look like you just finished picking potatoes under this hair wrap, okay? Easy. Boom. Pop on a plain shirt and call it a day. And I wanted to show you guys this side. It's different, right? Okay, number 3. Gonna get that scarf back out. If you guys are worrying about, oh my God, it's gonna be so hot, I'm gonna have hot flashes, boo, it's all right. Just get you a lightweight scarf. And I rolled this one a little bit wider than the other one because I want it to be taller than the other one. I'm showing you the number on the fabric that I have, so just in case you guys wanted it. But if you look up Kemet cloth, that pattern should pop up on Google, and you can see the different sides. This one was not cut in a yard. It's more like a square, so I have to fold it in a different way than if it was just long. But it's not as long, and it's really wide. So as you can see on the top how I folded it, right here, I fold it at the top. And I make sure when it comes down, it goes all the way down past the scarf underneath to give me that height. And then who's texting me? And I fold the bottom to hide that number that I have. So we're going to wrap it just like the other two around the back and cover the ears. And without tying it, I'm going to put one side across my head and then the next side across the other. And I'm going to bring it in the back and single knot it. If it was longer, then I can keep wrapping it flatly all the way to the top so it has these pretty layers. But it's not long enough, so I can't do that. But if your head is small enough, it probably could work. But so yeah, it probably could work. But what I'm going to do with this one is I'm going to cut it a certain way. Well, let me redo my edges. Actually, guys, I use this Miele edge control. I don't like it. If you guys can recommend me one edge control that's really good, please link down below the one that you guys like. I've tried 24-hour tamer. I don't like that one. I tried olive oil. Don't like it. I tried cream of nature. Don't like it. This one was working for me, but it got kind of old and it's not working. It's like super greasy and it doesn't lay down flat unless I do that little got to be spray, and I don't like using that all the time. So yeah, if you have recommendations, leave down below. Here, I'm trying to explain how I'm going to cut it. So I'm going to cut it hot dog wise, and then I'm going to sew the end so it's nice and long like my other ones. That's all I was explaining. But here's the final look, guys. I hope you guys like it. That's what the back looks like. And I think it looks pretty cute no matter how it's cut, you know. Came out great. Yay!
Turban. Right? Hope you guys liked it. Hope you guys love it, like it, heart it, like it, subscribe.